How to transfer GGives to Cimb bank. Want to transfer your GGives balance to your Cimb bank account? In this tutorial I'll walk you through the steps to make the transfer quickly and easily, so let's get started. First, open the GGives app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in the app, navigate to the transfer or withdraw section, and this option is typically located in the main dashboard. In the transfer options, choose the bank account or Cimb bank as the receiving bank for your funds. Now enter your bank account details, including your account number and account name. Double check the details to ensure everything is correct, including capital and small letters. Next, enter the amount of GGives you want to transfer to your Cimb bank account and make sure you have enough balance to cover the transfer. After entering the transfer details, review everything and confirm the transfer. You may be asked to enter a PIN or OTP to verify the transaction. And after the transfer is processed, check your Cimb bank account to confirm that the funds have been successfully deposited. Transfers like this usually take a few minutes, but it can sometimes take longer depending on the processing time, so be sure to be patient, and if any problem happens with this transfer, you can try contacting the support of GGives and they will provide you with solutions. And that's how you transfer your funds successfully to your bank account. Thanks for watching.